Here are the GGS28CE and the GGS28LCE Professional from Bosch, the robust straight grinders for universal grinding work. The GGS28CE Professional impresses with its compact design and low weight, while the GGS28LCE Professional has a long spindle collar that enables it to get into even tight spaces, for example in pipes. The GGS28CE Professional enables excellent handling and low fatigue working, even in hard-to-reach areas. Both grinders also impress with their powerful motors which enable fast work progress. The kickback stop automatically detects when the grinding stone is jammed and shuts down the tool immediately. Experience for yourself the GGS28CE and the GGS28LCE Professional, the robust tools for universal grinding work.